You are driving down the highway and your car suddenly feels sluggish. Or maybe it starts idling so roughly at a stoplight that you think it might stall out right there in traffic. This is often the calling card of the P044A code, which signals a headache in your exhaust gas recirculation sensor C circuit. To put it simply, your engine has a valve designed to reroute a bit of spent exhaust gas back into the intake to keep the combustion chamber temperatures from spiking above 2500 degrees Fahrenheit. This is crucial because when things get that hot, nitrogen oxides form, which are the main ingredients for nasty smog and pollution. The sensor C mentioned in the code is the computer's way of watching exactly what that valve is doing. When the powertrain control module sees a voltage signal that is too high, too low, or just plain missing, it gets confused and throws this code. The tricky part is that the symptoms can vary wildly depending on whether the valve is stuck open or closed. If it is stuck open, you will get that terrible idle or stalling because the engine is basically choking on its own exhaust when it should be breathing fresh air. If it is stuck shut, you might hear an annoying metallic pinging or knocking sound when you accelerate, which is the sound of your engine running too hot. If you want to tackle this yourself, your first move should be inspecting the wiring harness and the connector for any green corrosion or loose pins that might be breaking the circuit. For those of you driving a Ford, pay special attention to the two small vacuum hoses leading to the differential pressure feedback sensor, as these are notorious for getting plugged up with hard carbon deposits. You can often just clear them out with a small screwdriver and be back on the road. Just be careful when testing wires because poking the wrong terminal with a probe can accidentally fry your engine control module. And that is a much more expensive mistake than just replacing a carboned up valve.